National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, central Will County in northeast Illinois until 11:45 p.m. At 10:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Minooka and moving east at 40 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Minooka and Shanahan around 11:05 p.m., Shorewood around 11:10 p.m., Elwood, Rockdale, and Joliet around 11:15 p.m., Ingalls Park around 11:20 p.m., Manhattan and New Lenox around 11:25 p.m. Other locations affected: Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Grenville County Speedway, Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, University of St. Francis. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Whoa.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grenville County in northeast Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 11:45 p.m. At 10:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Morris to 6 miles north of Odell and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dwight around 11:05 p.m., Gardner, Diamond, Coal City, and Braceville around 11:10 p.m., Wilmington and Braidwood around 11:15 p.m., Lakewood Shores and Herscher around 11:20 p.m., Shabance around 11:30 p.m., Kankakee, Bradley, and Bourbonnais around 11:35 p.m. Other locations affected: Jeff Herdwood State Park, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds, Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University, William G. Stratton State Park, Interstate 80 between mile markers 106 and 111, Interstate 57 between mile markers 302 and 321, Interstate 55 between mile markers 209 and 240. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy
Sorry,
rain.
that was a text.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.